Let's talk about the Streamlined program.
Oh, the Streamlined program is an excellent program. It's a voluntary amnesty program that the IRS has. So basically you're coming forward and you're trying to make everything right with the IRS. If there is the option to file under this program, you should absolutely do it. So how do you qualify? Number one, you have to file 3 years of tax returns for either returns that were never filed in the first place or amended returns. So you have to somehow change it to maybe you left off foreign income, maybe you have some additional foreign related forms that you didn't know you had to include. So you have to file for 3 years. Second requirement is if you have to file an FBAR, foreign bank account report, you need to do that over a 6-year period. And then the third requirement, you have to have been outside of the United States for 330 days or more for at least one of those 3 years. It could be any of those years, it could be all of those years, but for at least one, you have to be outside of the United States. If you qualify, there's some fantastic benefits. Number one, right off the bat, all penalties are waived. And in fact, you might actually owe some tax. By congressional ruling, by law, the IRS can't waive a lot of interest, but they waive the penalties. As part of this Streamlined filing package, you have to file a certification. You filing under this program because you didn't file before or you didn't know you had to include certain information was non-willful. Basically, you just didn't know. And that's done on form 14653. That's where you provide a written statement. That is an important part of it, but the benefits really are amazing. Please take note that this is a voluntary program that they have. They don't have to keep it going indefinitely. They can stop it at any time. So anybody who thinks they could qualify and benefit from this should be contacting us right away, and we'll help guide them through that entire process so they don't just have all these lingering fears and anxieties.